Okay, and I'll just quickly share my screen so that you're able to observe the PPT. Okay, okay. So in the last lecture, we studied about mitosis, if you remember. So I just want a very quick revision of mitosis and then we'll quickly move down to meiosis, okay? Because mitosis and meiosis is somewhere similar and there are a few differences out there. So अगर आपको mitosis अच्छे से याद है तो meiosis समझने में there won't be any issues. So quickly tell me, mitosis occurs in which cells? I hope you know the drill. You have to answer in the chat box. Okay. Mitosis occurs in the somatic cell and the stem cell. Okay. Correct. Correct. Now you tell me whenever there is mitosis. Now listen to my question. Stop answering. Whenever there is mitosis and when the daughter cells are formed, how many daughter cells are formed? How many? Ghatkopar Shubham was the first one to answer and you were correct. 2 daughter cells are formed. People are answering 46 and 23 over here. Let me remind you, I asked how many daughter cells. I didn't ask you about the chromosome. Okay. So there are 2 daughter cells. Now tell me how many chromosomes are present in your daughter cell. एक cell में कितना chromosome होगा? Yes, a lot of you are answering correctly. Where 1 second, कोई तो 93 बोल रहा था, कोई 64 बोल रहा है. Vikroli Suyash, you answered 23, which is wrong. Okay. Okay then. People are correct. 46 is the correct answer. So I'm happy that you know the answer that whenever there are daughter cells formed in mitosis, there are 46 chromosomes present in each cell. Okay. Now, quickly tell me mitosis occurs in how many phases? Mitosis occurs in how many phases? अरे मैं माइटोसिस पूछ रही है, आप गलत बता रहे हो. Yeah, I'm asking. Yes, yes, yes. There were a few people who answered correctly. Mitosis occurs in 2 phases, that is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Quickly tell me, karyokinesis में क्या होता है? Karyokinesis is, yes, TGT Payal. I don't know what is TGT, but you were correct. So yes, you were the first one to answer. And karyokinesis is nuclear division, and cytokinesis is cytoplasmic division. Devi Dayal Vedant, I can see answering. Okay, it's cytoplasmic division. Now quickly tell me, karyokinesis occurs in how many stages? Karyokinesis occurs in 4 stages. Okay, quickly tell me which are the 4 stages. All the 4 stages. एक कोई तो था जिन्होंने correct answer दिया. I couldn't read the name. Cool. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Very good. So these are the 4 phases in which mitosis occurs. Now today we are going to talk about meiosis. Now you quickly tell me, meiosis occurs in which cells? Meiosis occurs in which cells? Okay, you're correct. Germ cells or the reproductive cells. Okay. Okay, can you tell me how many chromosomes are present in your germ cell? Can anyone tell me? Okay. There are people who are not answering correctly. I want you to stop answering in the chat box now. I don't want people answering anything in the chat box. Pay attention to the screen. I'm sorry. Pay attention to the screen now. Stop answering in the chat box because I won't be listening to you. I won't be checking the messages. I'm sorry. So, as I said, we are talking about meiosis today. And everyone knows that meiosis occurs in your reproductive cells. ठीक है? अब सुनो मेरी बात ध्यान से. That's your reproductive cell. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me just switch on the pen. And yes. That's my reproductive cell. तुम्हारे कोई भी सेल में ना 46 क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं. Okay? तुम्हारे बॉडी के कोई भी सेल की बात करो, उसमें 46 क्रोमोसोम होता है. अब ध्यान देना यहाँ पे एंड पे अटेंशन. We are doing meiosis. Okay, but there are certain differences which takes place over here. In meiosis, initially your chromosome will duplicate and 46 will turn into 92. Okay, 46 turns into 92 like your mitosis. जैसे आपका माइटोसिस होता है exactly वैसे होता है. उसके बाद exactly 92 will be divided into 46. Okay, यहां तक सब कुछ सेम है. 46 डबल होगा, 92 बनेगा, 92 डिवाइड होगा, 46 होगा. ठीक है, यूजुअली यहाँ पे आपका माइटोसिस खत्म हो जाता है. But now when I am talking about meiosis, which is occurring in your germ cells, यहाँ पे 46 will further divide. 46 will further divide and give 23. I hope I am making sense and you are paying attention and you are listening to me, that your 46 will be divided into 23. I am not checking the chat box. अगर आप उधर मैसेज डाल भी रहे हो तो मैं नहीं चेक कर रही. So once again I am repeating, 46 will duplicate, give you 92. 92 will be divided into 46. 46 will be further divided into 23. Okay, I hope I'm very much clear. Now, why over here we are dividing it to 23? Pay attention. Okay, why are we dividing it to 23? So better pay attention. What happens over here? This is reproductive cells. ये मैं बात कर रही हूँ आपके reproductive cells के बारे में. सबको पता है कि reproduction क्या होता है. Simple reproduction में male gamete fuses with the female gamete. That's why male gamete fusing with the female gamete and giving rise to a zygote. Okay, male gamete fusing with the female gamete giving rise to a zygote. Then यहाँ पे this is my male gamete, this is my female gamete. Example बता रही हूं मैं कि तुम्हारा जो मेल गैमेट और फीमेल गैमेट होता है उसमें 23 क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं. ओके, सो 23 plus 23 giving rise to a zygote which is 46. I hope everyone has understood this. Okay, I hope everyone is understanding what am I trying to explain over here. So once again I'll just quickly repeat. We are doing meiosis. In meiosis occurs in reproductive cells. Reproductive cells जब division होता है तो तुम्हारे हर एक सेल में 46 नहीं बल्कि होते हैं 23 chromosomes. Why 23 chromosomes? Because in reproductive cell tomorrow there will be fertilization. Your male gamete will be fusing with the female gamete, giving rise to a zygote, and this zygote will have 46 chromosome. Okay. So once again, I'm not repeating it once again. I'm just going to show you the PPT now. So please pay attention. Yeah. Meiosis. The process of gamete production and spore formation occurs by meiosis. Okay. So the process of gamete production and spore formation occurs by, just a minute, give me some time. Someone wanted a white pen, right? Yeah. Okay. Now I have the white pen. Yeah. So as I was talking about, meiosis occurs in your reproductive cells. It is a process of gamete formation. वो ready हो जाता है बेटा. Okay, I'm sorry. Just a minute. Yeah, now we can have the white. Okay, so process of gamete production and spore formation occurs by meiosis, and gamete and spore कहाँ पे बनता है? तो reproduction में बनता है, that is in sexual reproduction. Whenever there is sexual reproduction, that time we will have gamete formation, gamete production and spore formation. Okay, in this type of cell division, 4 haploid, in this type of cell division, 4 haploid daughter cells are formed from one diploid cell. Okay, please pay attention. This statement is very very important. यहाँ पे 4 haploid, आपको मैंने day 1 पे बताया था haploid. Haploid मतलब half. Haploid is your n and diploid is your 2n. Okay, ठीक है, haploid is n, diploid is your 2n. This everyone remembers. And 2n human body के लिए it is 46 and n is 23. I hope you are understanding the basic math over here. Sorry. So you have 4 haploid cells. अभी ये कैसे बनता है तो ध्यान दीजिए. Okay, I am explaining it again, which you guys have already known and seen, but pay attention. This is your cell which has 46 chromosome. 46 मतलब कितना? 2n. Okay, तो हमने शुरू 2n से किया. Okay, from one diploid 2n cell, सबसे पहले 46 will turn into 92. ठीक है, 92 will further be divided into 46, 46. Correct? And then 46 further divides into 23, 23. Okay, so 46 मतलब 2n and 23 मतलब n. और n ऐसे कितने मिले तो तुमको 4 मिले. So in this type of cell division, 4 haploid. Did you get 4 haploid? Yes, we got 4 haploid. Daughter cells are formed from one diploid 2n cell. Okay, so I hope everyone has understood this and there are no doubts anymore. Still, if you have doubts, don't worry. और एक बार explanation हो जाएगा तो आपके doubts भी clear हो जाएंगे. So now better pay attention. अभी doubt मत पूछो, chat box में कुछ मत डालो, मैं नहीं check कर रही. Yeah, now pay attention to this diagram over here. Okay, so sorry, this is your 2n. 2n will turn into 4n. 4n will again be divided into 2n, 2n, and the 2n will be further divided into n, 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 and n. ठीक है, so तुम्हारा ये meiosis है जो reproductive cells में हो रहा है, and 2n से सबसे पहले 4n बनेगा. 4n will be divided into 2n, 2n, and further they will be divided into n, 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 n. So you will have 4 haploid daughter cells from one diploid cell. Okay, now why are we making it n? Because ये sexual reproduction की बात हो रही है. We are talking about your reproductive cells. So आपके reproductive cells में n चाहिए, because कल उठ के जब male gamete plus female gamete होगा तो n plus n will give rise to 2n. So your zygote will have 2n. समझा? So this is why there is n over here. I hope things are sorted now. So everyone has understood this, that why I need to have n number of chromosomes. Okay, so now I am checking the chat box. If you have anything, just ask. If there is anything, you can ask. Okay, just a minute. Okay, see, once again I'm repeating. आपका जैसे माइटोसिस होता है वैसे ही एग्जैक्टली होगा. सबसे पहले 46 will double up to 92. 92 will be further divided into 46, 46, and 46 will be divided into 23, 23, 23, 23. तो सिंपल मैथ है कि आपने शुरू 2n से किया एंड फिर आप पहुंचे 4 n सेल्स पे, मतलब 4 सेल मिले n, 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 n. This is your meiosis. And don't worry, हमको पूरा डिटेल में देखना है. This is just the brief introduction. Okay? Yeah. Why did the cells not divide the first 46 into? Okay. The first 46 will not divide into 23. So the germ cells, there are 23 chromosome. Yes, आपके जो germ cells होते हैं, आपका haploid means half. Yes. homologous chromosomes are the chromosomes which are similar. 2n, 4n, doubt, okay. In meiosis, how did the 2n turn into 4n? Where did the other 2n? वो duplicate होता है. जैसे माइटोसिस में डुप्लीकेट हुआ था, सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड आया था, वैसे इधर भी होगा. हाउ मेनी डॉटर सेल्स आर देयर इन 4n? अरे बेटा, एक n का मतलब ये एक डॉटर सेल. 1n इज इक्वल टू 1 डॉटर सेल. तो 4n मतलब 4 डॉटर सेल हुए ना. क्या पूछ रहे हो? जेबी नगर हर्ष पांचाल, यू आस्क्ड हाउ मेनी डॉटर सेल्स आर देयर इन 4n. बेटा, हम जब एक सेल की बात करते हैं उसको ही डॉटर सेल बोलते हैं. और तुम्हारे एक सेल के पास n नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स है, मतलब 23 क्रोमोसोम्स है. आई डोंट नो, मैं आपका क्वेश्चन शायद समझ नहीं पाई, और जो भी मैंने आंसर दिया अगर आपको समझ गया हो तो वेल एंड गुड. तो ठीक है, आई एम रेज्यूमिंग बैक टू माई लेक्चर एंड आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि आपको बेसिक ब्रीफ समझ में आ गया है. अभी हम पूरा Vile Parle, Mayank, if you have anything you can ask, I'm there. You can just type it and put it in the chat box. I'm waiting. You went duplicate to 4n and divided into 2n, 2n, and then they are divided into n, 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 n. Yes, Vikroli Vaibhav Singh, you are correct. Very, very good. Okay. I'm shutting my chat box now. I'm not checking the messages. Everyone needs to pay attention. Now we are back to meiosis. So meiosis is completed through 2 stages. Everyone needs to pay attention. Meiosis is completed through 2 stages, and the 2 stages are called as meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Pay attention, meiosis is completed into 2 stages, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay? I hope everyone is with me. तो अच्छा, मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि meiosis 1 में क्या होता है. meiosis 1 और 2 हमने दो अलग क्यों डिवाइड किया है? Because meiosis 1 में 46 डबल होके 92 बनता है, 92 डिवाइड होता है 46 में, और यहां तक को बोलते हैं meiosis 1. और जब 46, ये जो तुम्हारा 46 है, मैं इधर सेम कॉपी करके लिख रही हूँ, नया 46 आया नहीं है, ये सेम है, इसी को कॉपी किया है मैंने. This 46 will be further divided into 23, 23. इसको बोलते हैं meiosis 2. So I hope everyone is with me. Meiosis 1 is where 46 duplicates to 92, divides into 46, 46, and meiosis 2 is 46 dividing into 23, 23, 23, 23. So this is why meiosis is divided into 2 stages, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. I hope this is clear. Now your meiosis 1, let's talk about that. So meiosis 1 is further divided into karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1. This you already know. So this is no rocket science. ये हमने already mitosis में पढ़ा है, तो वही same to same इधर छाप के लिखना है आपको. Karyokinesis 1, cytokinesis 1. Karyokinesis 1 is nuclear division, nucleus का division. सबसे पहले सेल में न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड होता है और फिर डिवाइड होता है आपका साइटोप्लाज्म. एंड साइटोप्लाज्म जब डिवाइड होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं साइटोकाइनेसिस. काइनेसिस इज डिवीजन, साइटो मतलब साइटोप्लाज्म, karyokinesis nuclear division. Once again, I'm repeating, meiosis will occur in 2 stages, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 will occur in 2 steps, that is karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1. In the same way, meiosis 2 will also occur in 2 steps, that is karyokinesis 2 and cytokinesis 2. I hope this is very clear and very easy for you to understand. एक बार repeat कर लेते हैं. Meiosis occurs in 2 stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. इधर मैं लिख रही हूँ. Meiosis 1, meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 will occur in karyokinesis 1, cytokinesis 1. Meiosis 2 will occur in karyokinesis 2, cytokinesis 2. I hope this is very much clear. Okay, and karyokinesis is nuclear division, cytokinesis is cytoplasmic division. Okay, now let's go ahead. Meiosis 1 will occur in 2 steps, that is karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1. Now your karyokinesis 1 will occur in 4 stages. जैसे आपका माइटोसिस अकर हुआ था वैसे ही same to same. So karyokinesis 1 will occur in the 4 steps, and the 4 steps are prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. सेम टू सेम है, बस आपको 1 ऐड करना है. ओके, वापस बता रही हूँ. meiosis 1 occurs in karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1. Karyokinesis 1 occurs in the 4 stages, that is prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. ठीक है. ओके, Why we have 1 and 2? Because 2 स्टेप में हो रहा है, इसीलिए हमने पहले वाले को 1 बोला है, दूसरे वाले को 2 बोला है, और कोई लॉजिक नहीं है. ठीक है. और अगर किसी भी चीज को डिनोट करना है तो आप 1 2 नाम देते हो ना, वैसे ही हमने मायोसिस को नाम दिया है meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay, so now let's go ahead. Yeah, now we are talking about prophase 1. ठीक है, वापस बता रही हूँ. meiosis is occurring in meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. meiosis 1 is occurring in karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1. Karyokinesis 1 is occurring in 4 stages, that is prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. Now we are talking about prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Okay, prophase 1 of meiosis 1 is a longer and complex procedure as compared to prophase of mitosis. Prophase of mitosis बहुत जल्दी निपट गया था, but आपका जो prophase 1 of meiosis 1 है, it will take a little longer period. Okay, and थोड़े steps ज्यादा है यहाँ पे. तो इसी वजह से हमने प्रोफेज 1 को और 5 स्टेजेस में डिवाइड किया है. It is further divided into 5 stages, and the name of those 5 stages are, I want everyone repeating with me. The first stage is called as liptotene. Okay, the first stage is called as liptotene. Second is zygotene. Third is pachytene. Pachytene, आपको जो बोलना आप बोल सकते हो. Fourth one is diplotene, and fifth one is diakinesis. Once again, I am repeating, your prophase 1 is divided into 5 stages, and the 5 stages are liptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene and diakinesis. Okay, अब मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. Okay, yeah, now आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में ये स्टेजेस के नाम नहीं दिए गए हैं. उन्होंने एक डायग्राम दिया है जहां पे उन्होंने स्टेज को लिखा है एज स्टेज 1, स्टेज 2, स्टेज 3, स्टेज 4, स्टेज 5. सो नाउ द थिंग ओवर हियर इज, आपके स्कूल में आपको जैसे बताया जाएगा आप वैसे लिखोगे, बिकॉज सम स्कूल्स माइट गो बाय द टेक्स्ट बुक एंड राइट स्टेज 1 2 3 4 5, तो आप वैसे लिखो. कोई स्कूल बोलेगा कि नहीं हमको नेम चाहिए ऑफ द स्टेज, so you have to remember the names of the stage. Okay, and you will say कि मैम टेक्स्ट बुक में हमको सिर्फ इसका डायग्राम है, हमको एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है. अगर आप टेक्स्ट बुक देखोगे लेक्चर के बाद या कभी भी, टेक्स्ट बुक में देयर इज नो एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑन प्रोफेज 1 और इन डेप्थ meiosis, बट देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन इन द टेक्स्ट बुक. टेक्स्ट बैक क्वेश्चंस होते हैं ना, उसमें ये क्वेश्चन एग्जिस्ट करता है, दैट राइट a note in detail about meiosis, prophase 1 of meiosis 1. So that is the reason you were supposed to know that what happens in prophase 1. Okay, so yeah, we are back to prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Now this prophase 1 is further divided into 5 stages, and the names of the 5 stages are liptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene and diakinesis. Okay, we are going to talk about each stage in brief Every stage has something happening over there. You need to know that because you have a question on that. So now I want one thing from you. I am assuming that I am assuming that you people need to pay attention and you have understood things. So quickly tell me meiosis occurs where? Which cells? फटाफट chat box में answer बताओ so that I can continue. One second. Someone answered wrong. I don't know, किसी ने तो गलत आंसर दिया था साइधाम से, इतना पता है मुझे. Yes, a lot of you have correctly answered that meiosis occurs in reproductive cells. Now listen to my question. The next question is, meiosis में कितने सेल बनते हैं, कितने डॉटर सेल बनते हैं? Very good, very good, very good. I'm proud of you people. Meiosis में there are 4 daughter cells. अब मुझे बात बताओ, वो जो तुम्हारे 4 डॉटर सेल है, एक डॉटर सेल के पास कितना क्रोमोसोम है? कितना क्रोमोसोम है? Very good. Damn proud of you people. You have 23 chromosomes. Correct. Now quickly tell me, 23 को हम haploid बोलते हैं कि diploid? DN Nagar Samarth was the first one to answer. It is haploid. Very good. The N is haploid. तो मैं quickly आपको बता देती हूँ, वो statement था that from a 2N cell you get 4 haploid cells. Okay, in meiosis. Now tell me, meiosis occurs in how many stages? Very good. 2 stages. Which are the 2 stages? Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Now tell me, meiosis 1 occurs in which stages? Meiosis 1. Karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1. अरे बेटा 4 5 नहीं. Meiosis 1 occurs in karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1. Okay. Karyokinesis 1 occurs in how many stages? Karyokinesis 1 occurs in 4 stages. Those are prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. Labdi from Ghatkopar, you were correct. You were the first one to answer. So it is prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. Telophase 1. Okay. So now the prophase 1 is typically a longer process. So मुझे quickly बताओ, prophase 1 occurs in how many stages? 5 stages. And the name of those 5 stages are liptotene, zygotene, pachytene. Ghatkopar Shrey, you were the first one and the correct one to answer it correctly. That is liptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene and diakinesis. Exam में liptotene के जगह पे Lipton green tea लिख के मत आना, ठीक है? श्रद्धा कपूर नहीं मिलेगी, 0 मार्क्स मिलेगा तुमको. Okay, I want everyone to be back to the screen now. I know you guys have understood. So now we will talk about each step in detail. So first we start with the prophase 1, that is liptotene, stage 1. Okay. Yes. Prophase 1, liptotene, stage 1. What happens over here? Chromosomes condense and they become visible. अगर आपको याद है तो आपके जो क्रोमोसोम होते हैं, they appear as chromatin fibers, a thin network of thread. So they condense and they become visible. I hope you have understood this कि यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. The chromosome will condense and they become thin and visible. That is आपके क्रोमोसोम कंडेंस हो जाएंगे. कंडेंस का मतलब है शॉर्ट एंड थिक होना. लास्ट टाइम भी मैंने आपको माइटोसिस में बताया था, जैसे कि आपका टेलीफोन का वायर, अगर टेलीफोन का वायर मैं रख देती हूँ रिसीवर को तो वो ऐसा कॉइल हो जाता है, ठीक है? बट अगर मैं उसको उठाती हूँ तो ऐसा वो खींचा हुआ रहता है. सो दिस इज योर क्रोमैटिन फाइबर्स and then they condense to form short thick chromosome. Okay, so this is what is happening in the liptotene stage, that is stage 1 of prophase 1. Chromosome condense, they become visible. That's it, and you are done with liptotene. Do you realize how easy is that? you were in prophase 1, that is uske stage 1 में, that is called as liptoteen. What happens in liptoteen? Your chromosomes condense and they become visible. Okay, now you go to the stage 2. Stage 2 of prophase 1 is zygote. सबसे पहले liptoteen, अभी हम बात करेंगे zygote के बारे में. What happens in zygote? Pairing of homologous chromosomes occur. अच्छा, आपको याद होना चाहिए कि homologous chromosomes क्या होते हैं. Do you remember what are homologous chromosomes? Yes. Yes, there are people who are answering. Yes, good. Okay, it's okay. I'll tell you. Homologous chromosome, pairing of homologous chromosome. अब तुम्हारा जो सेल है, ये जो तुम्हारा सेल है, इसमें 46 क्रोमोसोम्स है, करेक्ट? तो 46 क्रोमोसोम में जो भी सेम होंगे, सेम टू सेम, जैसे कि तुम्हारा जुड़वा, ठीक है? तो वो जो सेम क्रोमोसोम होते हैं, वो आपस में आके अपना अपना ग्रुप बना लेते हैं और वो 23 पेयर बना लेते हैं. समझ में आया? The 46 chromosome, they will start pairing with each other and they will form 23 pair. और homologous का मतलब है similar in structure, organization. Okay, so that is how the similar chromosomes, they will come together and this is the homologous chromosomes. कोई भी क्रोमोसोम आपस में आके पैर नहीं बनाएगा, homologous chromosome आके पैर बनाएगा. Okay, and this happens in zygote. Pairing of homologous chromosome occurs and this pairing is called as synapsis. Okay, it is called as synapsis. Sorry, cis. It's not synapse. तुम्हारा जो न्यूरॉन में होता है ना, वो साइनैप्स की बात नहीं कर रही है मैं. आई एम टॉकिंग साइनैप्सिस. Synapsis is pairing of homologous chromosomes. Okay, I hope this is very much clear. We are in the stage 2. This is known as zygote. Pairing of homologous chromosome occurs and this pairing is called as synapsis. Okay, the pairing is called as synapsis. And bivalent or tetrad formation takes place. बाइवैलेंट और टेट्राड फॉर्मेशन. अभी ध्यान दीजिए, स्टॉप पुटिंग द मैसेजेस इन द चैट बॉक्स में, नहीं चेक कर रही है. बाइवैलेंट और टेट्राड फॉर्मेशन का मतलब क्या है? मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम बताया था कि जो तुम्हारे 46 क्रोमोसोम होते हैं वो ऐसे रहते हैं, ठीक है? दीज आर योर क्रोमोसोम, ऐसा 46 होगा. बट आपको याद है ना, 46 डुप्लीकेट होके 92 बनता है. तो वो जब डुप्लीकेट होता है तभी उसको उसकी बहन मिलती है, करेक्ट? उसको उसका बहन मिलता है ना, जिसको हम बोलते हैं सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड, करेक्ट? तो वो जो यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है उसका बहन का, सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड का, उसको हमने नाम दिया है बाइवैलेंट और टेट्राड फॉर्मेशन. या तो मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल ये देखो, ये यहाँ पे आपको 2 क्रोमोसोम दिख रहे हैं, होमोलॉगस क्रोमोसोम. तो पहले होमोलॉगस क्रोमोसोम ऐसे साथ में आ जाते हैं, ठीक है? उसके बाद उसको उसकी बहन मिलती है, समझा? सो उसको जब सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड मिलता है तो या तो हम उसको बाय का मतलब है 2, इधर इट इज 2, इधर इट इज 1 2 3 4. टेट्राड मतलब 4. ओके, so either it is bivalent or tetrad formation. I hope you have understood this. We are in the stage 2 of prophase 1. Stage 2 is also known as zygote. What happens in zygote? Pairing of the homologous chromosome takes place and this pairing of homologous chromosome is called as synapsis. Okay, it's called as synapsis. And then there will be bivalent or tetrad formation. There will be bivalent or tetrad formation. Bivalent and tetrad, once again I'm repeating, ये तुम्हारा क्रोमोसोम है, होमोलॉगस क्रोमोसोम जो साथ में आ गया है, ठीक है? पेयरिंग कर ली है और जब भी उसको उसका सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड मिलता है, दिस इज उसका सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड, उसका बहन इज नथिंग बट 46 टर्निंग इनटू 92. तो जब उसको उसकी बहन मिलती है तो तब हम बोलते हैं बाइवैलेंट और एल्स टेट्राड फॉर्मेशन. Okay, it is called as bivalent और tetrad formation. Bivalent इसीलिए बोलते हैं because ये दो है. Tetrad इसीलिए बोलते हैं because अगर आपको चाहिए आप ऐसे 4 काउंट कर सकते हो. इधर व्हाइट पेन दिखेगा नहीं अभी आपको, but it is 1 2 3 and 4. Or else you can count this entire thing as 1 and this entire thing is 2. So either it can be bivalent or tetrad. Okay, so this is what is happening in your stage 2, that is zygotine. I hope this is clear to you. Once again, I'm repeating, we are in meiosis. Meiosis occurs in 2 stages, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay, meiosis 1 occurs in 2 stages, that is karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1. Karyokinesis 1 occurs in 4 stages, that is prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. Prophase 1 occurs in 5 stages, that is liptotene, zygotine, pachytene, diplotene, dikinesis. That is stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In stage 1, in liptotene, what happens is your chromosome condenses. In the stage 2, that is zygotine, homologous chromosome come closer to each other. Homologous chromosomes pair with each other, and the pairing is called as synapsis. And there will be bivalent or tetrad formation. Okay, this was your zygotine. Okay, now people stop putting the messages in the chat box because अभी जो messages अभी तक आ चुके हैं उसको मुझे एक बार check कर लेने दो. नहीं तो आप messages भेजते जाओगे और फिर मुझे एक भी message दिखेगा नहीं. I won't be able to rectify the messages. Yeah, just a minute. Now wait. Okay. Ma'am, can the questions come beside the text back? Yeah, text back questions को छोड़ के और भी questions आते हैं. Okay. So there are no questions as such. अच्छा, आपको अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप चैट बॉक्स में पूछ लो और एल्स मैं कंटिन्यू करती हूँ. देवी दयाल मेहुल ठक्कर, you are just like you're annoyingly putting the message again and again, so don't do that. Just a minute. Okay. Homologous means, okay, what is somatic cell? The explanation of meiosis is given in very short in the textbook. So आपको जो मैंने PDF भेजा है notes का, उसमें answer है, तो आप वहां से refer कर सकते हो. अरे बेटा, it is 23 chromosome, 23 pair नहीं होता. 23 pair मतलब 46 हो जाएगा ना. Name are not given in the textbook, but yes, as I said, you have to ask your school as well. Homologous का मतलब होता है similar in structure and organization. Homo मतलब same. Homo means same. आप केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ते हो ना, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous मतलब सब कुछ mix हो जाता है. Homo मतलब same, similar. What is synapsis? When two chromosomes, homologous chromosomes, when they come closer to each other, this is called as synapsis. ये chapter का overall revision lecture होगा. If you want, we'll keep the revision lecture. Don't worry about revision for now. Now you pay attention in the lecture. For both, we should refer master key or digest. For both, you can refer whatever you like. आपको जहां से चाहिए वहां से आप आंसर्स रेफर करो, जो आपको इजी लगता है वहां से पढ़ो. ठीक है, बट याद रखना मायोसिस का आंसर टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है, बट मायोसिस के ऊपर टेक्स्ट बैक क्वेश्चन है, तो आपको वो पढ़ना पड़ेगा. ओके, कैन यू प्लीज सेंड द आंसर फॉर मायोसिस? अरे बेटा, आई हैव सेंड द एंटायर PDF ऑफ नोट्स. आपको आंसर की सिर्फ जरूरत नहीं है. there is nothing as best guide or best notes. Okay, whatever you find comfortable, you can study from there. जहां तक आई सजेस्ट यू स्टडी फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक, और जो कुछ नहीं मिलता टेक्स्ट बुक में उसके लिए आप नोट्स रेफर करो. ठीक है. Vikroli, Yash Pravar, you were saying that no PDF is received. Then okay, I'll talk to SST sir about it. And I'll ask him to send it to you. Don't worry. What is somatic cells? Somatic cells are all the cells in your body except your reproductive cells. Okay. So we are, okay. It's already 8:45. So what we'll do is, do we have to draw the yes. Meiosis ka diagram is very important. And yeah, I'll stop the lecture over here and we'll continue in the next lecture. Next lecture में हम meiosis complete करेंगे. आज हम लोग ने meiosis का सिर्फ प्रोफेज का 2 stages देखा है. उसके बाद और 3 stages है, and then we'll complete meiosis. And I'll give you the homework on WhatsApp, so don't worry about it. DN Nagar, Neha, you can learn from wherever you want. आपको मास्टर की चाहिए, आपको गाइड चाहिए, आपको जहां से पढ़ना है आप पढ़ो. जो आपको इजी लगता है, जो आपको कंफर्टेबल लगता है, वहां से आप पढ़िए. ठीक है. No, you can ask me doubts. If anyone wants to know anything, if you want me to repeat anything, DN Nagar, Amog, if you want to ask any question, you can ask. When the classes will provide master key. But बेटा मैंने आपको WhatsApp पे already PDF भेज दिया है. Yes, mitosis and meiosis can occur at the same time. If no doubt, then you can leave. Yes, beta, you can leave if you have no doubt. Yes, there are marks for diagram. Diagram को marks नहीं मिलेगा तो किसको मिलेगा? हाँ तो फोन, अच्छा ठीक है, तो मैं सर को बोल दूंगी मेल करने के लिए आपको नोट्स. After complete oxidation, there are 38 ATP molecules. 100% chances of questions outside of textbook will be asked. अच्छा सुनो, आपको जो भी questions आते हैं ना outside textbook का मतलब है text back questions नहीं आना. Government at the end of the day आपको textbook के ही concept से questions पूछने वाली है. वो अपने जेब से अलग से कुछ नहीं पूछती. Brief, yes, brief will come. There are 4 mark question, there are 5 mark question, there are 3 mark question in the exam. Any major difference between अरे the major difference is meiosis में 23 होता है क्रोमोसोम और माइटोसिस में 46 होता है. और meiosis तुम्हारे सिर्फ रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल में होता है, माइटोसिस हर सेल में होता है. I will send the master key of this particular chapter, don't worry. मैंने भेजा था बट आपको नहीं मिला है, मैं वापस भिजवा दूंगी, don't worry. In meiosis we have to write karyokinesis. आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा, write a note on the prophase 1 of meiosis or describe the prophase of meiosis. तो आपको वो 5 स्टेज लिखने हैं लिप्टोटीन जाइगोटीन वाले. What is the paper pattern? किस बात का पेपर पैटर्न चाहिए? तक्षशिला शिवानी बजाज has said कि मास्टर की मिला है. Now I don't know कि किनको. बेटा WhatsApp is the way we can send the master key. We can send the PDF of the notes, right? WhatsApp is like the most efficient and the easiest way. घाटकोपर गणेश, I'm not understanding आपको क्या चाहिए. विले पार्ले मयांक, आपको क्या चाहिए? Of biology मतलब क्या? Vikroli has not received any master key. Don't worry, I'll do it itself. Vikroli, can anyone tell me who's the academic head? So I'll tell that particular teacher. Weightage of the chapters भी मैं आपको भिजवा दूंगी. Don't worry about that. I'll just send it to Mayur sir. Don't worry. Okay. I'll send it to Mayur sir. Don't worry about it. You'll get your notes. You'll get your homework. आप अभी से इतना स्ट्रेस मत लीजिए. आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. अभी के लिए just tell me अगर आपको माइटोसिस meiosis में कुछ नहीं समझा है तो I can explain that again. You are most welcome. Answer schemes for marks. When will you get the Adyan Master Key? I'll ask that and I'll let you know. Answer schemes for of the marks. मेरे को